Welcome back, colleagues. We are moving to section 3, which is general information. Okay, and let's go. Is your school on Gallup? If it's on Gallup, you choose yes. If it's on Gallup, non-Gallup, you choose no. So, are you part of the cluster of the school? If yes, you choose what? Yes. Are you part of the cluster of school? If yes, you choose yes. Is primary 1 involved in multiple grade levels in your school? If yes, you choose yes. If no, you choose no. Now, is primary 2 involved in multi-grade levels in your school? If yes, you choose yes. If no, you choose no. Is primary 3 involved in multi-grade levels in your school? Then you choose that. Primary 4, the same thing. I think it's run through 2 basic what? Basic 9, which is what? GHS. Okay. Now, is your school one of the 2 different school making use of the same building? Let's move on. Is one of the following units attached to your school? Blind, deaf, IDD, or none? Then you choose. What category of institution are you? Is it inclusive, integrated? When you say inclusive, may everyone. Now, indicate the question below. The number of impairment or physical challenge, people or students. Whether your school is segregated or special school or not. So does your school institution have blind? So if it is in the same school, but you group them, okay, you just say if they are all mixed to, you just will choose no. Number of students or learners total blind, you have to see and indicate them. The number of students partially, also number of student learners who are deaf. Then does your school institution have deaf and blind students? Then you choose. Some of them you have blind over there, but that doesn't mean all of them are supposed to be in another school. Or number of students or learners with other multiple impairment. Okay, and please, if you don't understand anything, or you can also type it at the comment section, or better join our discussion forum to ask your question. Follow me and ask your question. Now, does your school or institution have intellectual developmental disability? Which is what? That's the full meaning of IDD. Intellectual development disability. Student. Okay. Then after everything, you press next 2. Now, we are still at the general information. Do you have a differentiated learning with a DL program running in your school? If yes, you choose yes. What Ghanaian language of instruction is used in your school? Is it Asante? Is it Dagbani, Kasim, Wale, Dagari, sign language equipment, Dagban, Mfanti, Gonja, whatever? Then you choose that one. Okay. Now, how far away from the institution is the district education office? Okay, so for here, our school is just more than 15 kilometers. Now, how far away from the school institution? Then that one too, you choose that. If it is closer, if it is far away. I'm talking about your head. Where does he or she would stay? Is it not closer? Is it far away? Then you just indicate that. How far is the next primary school? Okay, next primary school. Then maybe if you are closer to other other school, how are you going to guess the kilometers or the distance? Now, how far away from the institution is the nearest supporting government office? Okay, if any government office is closer. So after everything, you just click the next. Now, we are done with the general information. Now we are going to move on to what? Institution infrastructure. And we will see you in our next one.